How you all doing, Maple family? I'm in the back garden. If you can tell, the parakeets are going at it. It's a normal occurrence around here, so you'll hear it in most of my other videos in the garden. Today I'm just going to go through some of the newer stock that I've got, some newer trees, and I've got one that I'm going to unbox that came today. So let's go through it. So these are my latest order. So we've got here Alexander II. This is a reticulated type. First I've heard of it. I've got all these I got from Poppins Plants. So she had a new delivery in from Esveld a few weeks back. We've got Alpenweiss. You do get these nice tags as well from Poppins with the name of the cultivar engraved. That's a nice little touch. So these are all in like 3-litre pots. This is Kamagata. It's quite a tightly dense leaf habit on this one. Some nice colours on it as well. Ooh. The two at the back there, they're from I think it was Bay's Nursery. That's Oregon Sunset. It's got quite a nice branching on that. And then that one is Rota Stern. I wonder how they got the name for that. It's quite a particular name. And here we've got First Ghost. This is the OG, the one that kicked off the Ghost series. What do we have here? This is Julia D. This one came from Bay's Nursery as well. This is also a reticulated type. I don't know much else about that one. A lot of these are quite new, like in terms of me not seeing them before. So Azuma Murasaki, another one from Poppins. You can see at the graft. See, this is what the rootstock would have been. See that bit of dead wood? That's with that you just flick it off like that, and soon it'll just blend into one tree really. Golden treasure. This is awesome. This gives me Anne Irene vibes. You can see a picture there. Yeah, this is a really nice attraction, this one. ID no Sato. I don't remember that much about this one either. Not much help today, sorry. Johnny's Pink. This would be a variegated type. And there are no leaves on that. That would be the plants behind it with the leaves. What's this one? Edna Bergman. Very impressed with the Bergman ones, you know. I've got a... What's the other Bergman I've got? Mine's gone blank. But yeah, I've got this Edna Bergman, and the other Bergman I've got as well. Is really nice leaf shape to it, nice colour as well, good structure on the branching. Bonnie Bergman, that was it. And what's this? Hatsukoi. Yeah. And the other two I got from Poppins on that order. all the way down there was a Tire Nishiki, and I do not remember the other one. I know it's a variegated type though. I might pop down there in a sec. So this is my latest order. Just got 2 trees here. These are from a shop on eBay. I'll get trees from various different places. So what we got, that top one there is Mert. This is a lovely tree. I've already got one of these, slightly smaller than this. But the full colour on this is beautiful. It's like a golden yellow. You can't take your eyes off it. It's one of them. So these have been a little bit knocked about by the looks of it during the delivering process. Okay, alright, let's sort that out a little bit. And then this one is Kocho no Mai, or Kocho no Mei. Let me wipe that down. So you got green variegated with white and pink, and then reddish orange in autumn. It's kind of got the same leaf shape as Kageori Nishiki or butterfly, similar style variegation. It's quite a nice little tree actually. It's a nice green colour, strong green, going throughout all the branching there. I like that. I'll go down and show you the other 2 trees that I was talking about. But first, while they're here in front of us, I thought I'd show you. These are 2 grafts that I did at the same time as the sister ghost that I've recently been posting about. These are about a week after I did the sister ghost. This one already didn't take. I've already taken them out. Oh, I think I took them out already. I was going to show you what they looks like. Hold up. Have I still got them? I've put them down here somewhere. Oh, hold on. Yes, here's one. So, what we got here is that black. Instantly, when you see the black, there's no point wasting time. Just get it out of the rootstock to risk further infection to the rootstock, and you'll be able to reuse this. This is still looking healthy, so I'll be reusing this in the summer. And yeah, the other one, I don't know where the other one is at, but it would look very similar to what this looks like. So yeah, you don't want to keep anything that's black. It's obviously got some sort of infection. But I will get these back in the polytunnel and go again. So yeah, it's important to show the failures as well. I don't have 100% success rate at all. There's still a lot of fails, but the important thing is, the more I'm doing it, the more successes I am getting, even if that's just going up in small increments. Yeah, so just keep persevering. This is the Oregon Sunset and the Rotor Stern. They're the labels that came with that, so that's what they look like. The Oregon Sunset was a really nice red. Really good tree. Okay, let's go down. I haven't been down there for a good 3-4 days, and it's been quite a lot of wind, so we may see a few trees on the side. Hopefully not. So far so good. Right, okay. So, here we are. So there's the Tyranishki. Look at that pink stripe. That's gonna have some really good variegation going through it. I think Tyranishki is up there with, it's definitely in my top 5 of variegated trees, because at least with the specimen I've got in the polytunnel, when that leafs out, the variegation is so consistent across all of the branching. It's not like a little bit here and a little bit there. You've got really consistent white creamy variegation with the pink as well. The attraction on the branching is awesome as well, with those highlighted pink stripes. I mean, look at it, it's amazing. So yeah, I had to wait about a year to get another Tyranishki, but I'm in the process of doing a few grafts. I tried grafting a lot of them last year, but what I was doing was, the scion wood I was taking was too thin and whippy. I wasn't taking thicker branches, but because these grow in long thin strips, I didn't want to go to the thicker part, because I didn't want to take off so much and lose a lot of the tree just to have a thicker scion, if you like. So I was taking smaller cuts, but they just weren't doing it. So that's something I learned. You gotta get that semi-hard wood. That's really important when it comes to the grafting. What we got? Kagi or Inishki. No, this is an older one. Here's the other one, Karubu Yama. Similar as well, with that striping going through the bark. It's going to be some really good variegation going through that. Another variegated type that has that same pink highlighting going through the bark is the Acer palmatum ginger. I've got that in the polytunnel. There's videos on the channel of that in the spring. That looks next level as well. What we got here? This is Shishigashira. Yeah, this has got a nice bonsai look to it, so I'm using this for bonsai. Yeah, I just repotted that last year. Earlier this year. Yeah, I'm going off on tangents now with this video. I have moved, so another thing I'll explain. It does look a little bit messy in here at the moment, but I've moved a lot of trees in this room here. I say it's a room, it's outdoors, but it's sheltered all around with fencing, and I'm getting a lot of the trees that I want to hybridize for seed in this same area, so it improves the chances of that cross-pollination and hybridization to occur, and to get as many hybridized seedlings as I possibly can. So yeah, got my purple ghost in here, got Ariadne here, Moonrise, Ukigumo. This is like the mother tree. Love this. I've taken 2 big air layerings off of this already. You can see where I've done them, both there, so here and then there. I'm really hoping to get some seed on this year. And one tip I've heard actually, when it comes to producing seed on the tree, the seed normally is formed on the lateral branches rather than the upright ones. So I never noticed that before, but that was a little bit of chat GPT that informed me of that. So yeah, don't get twisted. I use that for help with these trees sometimes. It's really helpful. But you can't rely on it too much because it's important to remain human. No trees are on the floor, which is good. Yeah, it's looking good out here. Alright, with that, I'm going to wrap it up, I think. Another Shadari. Yeah, no, we're all good. Okay. Yep, stay tuned. I'm going to have updates coming weekly now, so I'm getting my ass into gear, just getting more ideas into place and what I'm going to be doing with the trees, but I'll keep you all updated anyway. Yeah, have a lovely rest of your evening and take care. Peace out.